Is your T-Mobile home internet constantly rebooting? You're not alone. This issue, common since the service launched in 2020, is often due to three main culprits: overheating, faulty power bricks, and outdated firmware. The gateway device, acting as both modem and router, can overheat during heavy use, especially in warm environments. Faulty power bricks can deliver inconsistent voltage, triggering reboots. Also, bugs in older firmware versions can cause constant restart loops. T-Mobile has addressed many of these issues with hardware replacements, power brick recalls, and software updates. However, issues may still occur, so understanding these core problems is the first step to fixing them. First, ensure your T-Mobile gateway has proper ventilation, with at least 6 inches of clearance around all vents, and try to keep it in a cool room. Next, confirm you are using the T-Mobile certified power adapter rated for 12-volt 3 amps. Replace any questionable or third-party adapters immediately. Finally, update your gateway's firmware. You can do this through the T-Mobile app or the gateway's web interface at 192.168.12.1. Check for updates in Settings, Firmware. If problems persist, try power cycling the device by unplugging it for 30 seconds. If rebooting continues, contact T-Mobile support for diagnostics and potential hardware replacement, especially if you have an older Nokia 5G21 unit.